Hey everybody, I'm Julie. Welcome to my kitchen. We are going to make broccoli stir fry. I got something at my feet. Anyway, we are going to make pork broccoli stir fry, and it's a low fat. So here we go. I'm on my iPad, so I'm like, okay. So here in Texas, it is what's the weather out? We are 23 degrees and we are frozen, and it's still coming down. So we don't have snow. We have freezing rain.
There's a nut trying to get on the road.
Okay, so let me find it again. Okay, I'm going to lift up what I'm going to do because I'm on my iPad taping because I got my recipe on my phone. And so it's just I had to figure out how to put y'all. Y'all are on some wooden spoons for right now. Then I got to figure something else out. So right now we're doing this. Okay, so we're going to have 1 cup beef broth. It says 1/4 cup Tamari sauce, but we're going to do liquid Aminos, oyster sauce, brown sugar, toasted sesame oil, garlic, pork sirloin, cornstarch and water, and a 6-ounce pack or 16-ounce package of frozen broccoli or fresh broccoli florets, but we're gonna do okay, so here we go. To wash my pork, I'm going to take all the fat off of this, and we're going to cut this into strips. I do buy my pork chops. I buy a pork loin and I chop it up because it's cheaper that way. I get at least 6 to 9 pork chops. 4 sets of pork chops to where it costs me maybe $30 for a pork loin, where it's going to cost me about $60 for about 9 meals. Now, as I said before, I lost the footage to my sauce because I was on my iPad. I hope y'all try this. And that, my friends, is dinner. I hope y'all enjoy it, and I hope y'all try this, and we'll talk to you later. And I'm sorry about the iPad. Yeah, I'm real as it is, and yeah. Anyway, I'm on my phone right now, so y'all have a good day. Say hi, Mr. Bob.
Hey, it's 12 degrees outside. Woo!
And Nate's back there.
Hi, y'all.
Hey.
So anyway, we'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Bye.